Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello teman-teman, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. I hope you are amazing. Teman-teman, today Miss Sari would like to solve about English first formative test. And congratulations for those of you who got 100 and also get the best score. Thank you. And let's check this out, our Google form that you just submitted to Miss Sari. Check this out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, teman-teman. I hope you pay attention to this video because if your score less than 75 or less than the standard of the minimum score that you have to pass it, you have to do or redo the test or remedial test. So I need you to pay attention to the video carefully, watch until the end, okay? Please don't skip it because I want you to redo or to do remedial test if your score less than 75. What about if your score is pass or more than 75? It doesn't matter. Please watch it because of this is going to be the next question probably on middle term test. Teman-teman, pay attention to the solving problems of English first formative test carefully because of Miss Ari probably take this quiz for middle term test or for final term test. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, teman-teman. Today, Miss Sari will tell you about the solving problems of the question of English formative test chapter 1. Let's see here. Alhamdulillah, look at here. Yep. English formative test chapter 1. Alhamdulillah, you just finished doing this and Miss Sari will emphasize about your name first. If your name Muhammad, you have to make it completely. It doesn't matter. Make it such a 3 syllables. 3 suku kata. It doesn't matter. Misalnya give example here. Muhammad Rafid Akbar. Muhammad Abrar. Muhammad Usama Fawaz. Example like this one. Nah, and what class are you in? Type. Just click here. Example 7 Al-Kindi or 7 Al-Khwarizmi or 7 Al-Ghazali. Or 7 Al-Jazari here. Yep, let's we solve it together. Start from number 1. Okay, Miss Hari make it random in this case here. Okay, pay attention to this one here. I want you to get the best score for the next formative. Amin. Yep, number 1 here. Not number 1 actually. Miss Hari make it random. For the first one here. Please fill the blank to complete the dialogue below. What will Bagas probably say based on the dialogue below? Bagas, blank, blank, blank. Miss Sari, how are you? Miss Sari, good morning, Bagas. I'm fine, thank you. So, because of that is good morning here, what will probably Bagas will say? So, the answer is, yep, good morning, good. Next, number 2. The correct response to complete dialogue below is Aska and Ahmad. The conversation between Aska and Ahmad. Hi Ahmad, how do you do? Hello Aska, how do you do? Nice to meet you Ahmad. Teman-teman, how do you do in this case is we use how do you do when you greet someone for the first time, when you meet someone for the first time. Ketika teman-teman bertemu dengan seseorang for the first time, you say how do you do? Miss Sari, what is the meaning of how do you do, Miss Sari? How do you do can be we can make it such a the meaning can be senang jumpa dengan teman-teman untuk pertama kalinya, dan sometimes itu hanya suatu ungkapan untuk bertemu seseorang for the first time in English, pertama kali. You say it when you meet someone. When I met you for the first time, I said, how do you do here? Nah, when someone said here, nice to meet you, senang berjumpa denganmu, and Ahmad will probably say here, A, B, C, D. A, nice to meet you too, senang berjumpa denganmu juga. B, I'm glad you are happy. Glad means bahagia. Glad itu senang. Aku senang ketika kamu senang. C, yes that's right. Ya, kamu benar. D, Am I really nice? Apakah aku sangat baik? So the answer is A, B, C, D. Yep, A. Next number. What number now? Okay, continue next number here. Bumi and Raifan. Please fill the blank to complete the dialogue below. Tolong isi titik-titik di bawah ini untuk melengkapi dialog di bawah ini. Bumi and Raifan. Blank, blank, blank. For your help last week. Raifan, don't mention it. I'm happy to help you. So, titik-titik untuk bantuan kamu minggu lalu. Don't mention it. Jangan sungkan. I'm happy to help you. So, the answer is A. I'm very sorry. Aku benar-benar minta maaf. B. Thank you. C. I apologize. Aku meminta maaf. D. It doesn't matter. Teman-teman, because of the response of Raifan is don't mention it, so what will Bumi probably say? The answer is, yep, thank you, terima kasih. And Raifan will say, Raifan just said, don't mention it. Next number, Laras' father and Laras. Laras' father, I have to blank 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 for tonight, dear. I have to go on business trip. I can't go with you to the grandmother's house. Laras, it is okay, Dad. I know that you are busy. In this case here, Laras' father cannot go to grandmother's house because of he wants to go on a business trip. Laras papa di sini titik-titik karena tidak bisa pergi ke rumah neneknya. Karena dia ada urusan pekerjaan, business trip. Laras will say, it is okay, Dad. I know that you are busy. A. Say good day. Berkata hari baik. B. Apologize. Meminta maaf. C. Thank you. Terima kasih. D. Say it doesn't matter. Berkata tidak masalah. Laras papa in this case here say, yep. Say apologize. Dia mengungkapkan permintaan maaf karena he cannot go to grandmother's house because he has to go on a business trip. Next number. What do you say when you make a mistake to someone? Teman-teman berkata apa ketika ketika teman-teman melakukan kesalahan? So, A. I apologize to that person. Meminta maaf ke orang tersebut. C. I say please forget me. Aku berkata lupakan aku. C. I'm very happy. Aku berkata I'm very happy. Aku sangat senang sekali. D. Thank you very much. So the answer is I apologize. Meminta maaf. Next, Indri and Rumaisa. I apologize for the sudden call, Rumaisa. My mother called me. Aku meminta maaf atas panggilan tiba-tiba atau mendadak Rumaisa. Mamaku baru saja menelpon aku. A. I owe you one. Aku berterima kasih padamu. B. You are welcome. Sama-sama. C. Never mind. Gak masalah. D. Thanks a bunch. So the answer, Rumaisa will probably say, yep, never mind. Which one in the following expression below is the expression of leave taking? Leave taking means berpamitan, mengucapkan selamat tinggal. So, look at here. Good evening, selamat sore. B. I'm very well, aku sangat baik-baik saja. C. How do you do? D. See you tomorrow, sampai jumpa besok. So, leave taking. A, B, C, D. Yep. See you tomorrow. Sampai jumpa besok. Next number. The underlined sentence below is the expression of Miss Sari. Good morning, class. Students, good morning, Miss. Miss Sari, how are you doing? Students, Alhamdulillah, we are amazing. Thanks a bunch. What about you? Teman-teman, underline, bergaris bawah. Look at here. How are you doing? A. Gratitude. Berterima kasih. B. Apology, permohonan maaf. C. Leave takings, berpamitan. D. Greetings. How are you doing? So the answer is, yep. A, B, C, D? Yeah, D. Greetings. Salah. The suitable response of the expression, thank you very much. So, respon ekspresi yang tepat untuk ungkapan thank you very much is A. It is my pleasure. B. Welcome home. C. Please come here. D. Come in please. Thank you very much. Terima kasih banyak. Misari, I'd like to give you example here. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are very welcome. It is my pleasure. Don't mention it, etc. So many. It doesn't matter also. It is my pleasure dengan senang hati. Good. Dava and Zaki. The underlined sentence below is the expression of Dava, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. See you next week. Zaki, don't mention it. I'm happy to see you and your family. Dava said, thank you for coming. The underlined sentence here, thank you for coming. A. Gratitude, berterima kasih. B. Apology. C. Leave takings, berpamitan. D. Greetings. Thank you. Thank you means berterima kasih. And Zaki said, don't mention it. So the answer A, B, C, D. Yup. Gratitude, teman-teman. Good. Continue next number. Easy, right? The suitable response of the expression below, Aisyah and Rara. How do you do, Rara? Rara, blank, blank, blank. Aisyah, remember? You said, how do you do when you meet someone for the first time? So, Rara would probably say, A. Nice to meet you. Senang jumpa denganmu. Aisyah said, how do you do? B. Nice to meet you too. Senang berjumpa denganmu juga. C. How do you do? D. How are you doing? How are you doing is apa kabarmu? So the answer is A, B, C, D. Yep. How do you do? Nah, good. Easy, right? Now, Fawaz in this case here. Hello, Fawaz. It is 10 p.m. and Fawaz wants to sleep. Before he goes to bed, he says to his parents, yep. A. Good morning. PM ya, teman-teman. PM. Just remember here, PM. And Fawaz wants to sleep. Fawaz will probably say, very easy ya. Good morning, selamat pagi. B. Good evening, selamat sore. C. Good afternoon, selamat siang. D. Good night, selamat malam atau selamat tidur. So the answer is, yep, okay. Continue. Nurul and Shifa. Please fill the blank to complete the dialogue below. Hi Shifa, blank, blank, blank. I'm very well, thank you very much. How old are you? Berapa usiamu? How do you do? Senang jumpa denganmu. How are you doing? Apa kabarmu? Where are you? Di mana kamu? So the answer, yep. How are you doing? And Shifa said, I'm very well. Thank you very much. Continue, teman-teman. Please fill the blank to complete the dialogue below. Rasha and Afkari. Look at here. Good afternoon, Afkari. Good afternoon, Rasha. I want to play basketball in the backyard of my house. May I join with you? Yes, sure. Let's play together. Hey, where are you going? Yep. Kamu mau pergi kemana? B, how are you going? Ini nggak nyambung. How are you going? Bagaimana kamu pergi? C, where is the library? Di mana perpustakaan? Nah. D, I am amazing. Aku mengagumkan. Is very confident ya. So the answer is because of Afkari when he wants to go to play basketball in the backyard of his house. So the answer is A, B, C, D. Yep. Where are you going? Kamu mau pergi kemana? Continue. Rizky and Zahid. Hi Zahid. How are you? Zahid, Alhamdulillah, I'm great. How about you? I'm very well. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch here. Thanks a bunch. Miss Ari like to say this several times when you got something, when I respond or expressing of my gratitude to you. So, thanks a bunch. A, don't mention it. B, how do you do? C, where are you? D, how are you? A, B, C, D? Yep. Don't mention it. Good. Next. Pay attention to the dialogue below and answer the question below. Lionel and Ryu. I'm sorry, I have to go now. Ryu. Yes, it is okay. Good night. Lionel. Good night. See you tomorrow. The underlined word means that Lionel wants to blank 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 Ryu. Teman-teman, look at here. Look at the underline. See you tomorrow. A. Ini see you tomorrow. What is it meaning see you tomorrow here? Sampai jumpa besok. Sampai jumpa besok. A. Meet, berjumpa, bertemu. B. Invite, mengundang. C. Leave, meninggalkan. D. Greet, menyapa. Because of Lionel, he wants to go. I'm sorry, I have to go now. Aku harus pergi sekarang. Ryu said, it is okay. Good night. Selamat malam. And Lionel said, good night. See you tomorrow. Okay, so the answer A, B, C, D. Yup, leave, teman-teman. Valisa and Radinka. Good morning, Valisa. Good morning, Radinka. What are you doing here? I'm waiting for Naila. There she come. I'm sorry, I have to go now. Goodbye, Valisa. Take care. I have to go now. Teman-teman, A, take care. Valisa say take care. Take care. You say take care when you leave your friends, she or he wants to go. Diucapkan ketika seseorang mau pergi. Orang yang mengucapkan itu, orang yang mengucapkan selamat tinggalnya, bukan orang yang mau perginya. Example, kan yang mau pergi di sini, in this case here, Valisa ya, I'm sorry, I have to go now. So, yang mengucapkan in this case here, Radinka. Hati-hati ya. Nah, and then, goodbye. Selamat tinggal. Thank you, terima kasih, anytime, sama-sama. So, teman-teman, look at here. I have to go now. Radinka said goodbye. So, Valisa will probably say A, B, C, D. Yup. B, goodbye. Okay, good. Thank you. Next, you are sending a friend off at the airport. She is going on a holiday. Just before she board the plane, you say to her, airport. What kind of transportation that we use if we are going to go to the airport? So, yep, correct. Airplane. So, A, have a safe journey. Semoga in this case ya, semoga penerbangannya selamat ya. Have a safe journey. And then dalam bahasa kita mungkin bisa juga semoga penerbangannya aman gitu teman-teman ya. Drive carefully. Mengendari hati-hati ya. Ini berangkatnya atau perginya not going to drive a car or so. No need to say drive carefully. See, good job brother. Good job brother. Kerja yang bagus, kerja yang cakep. You say it when you compliment, when you give such a compliment. Ketika teman-teman memberikan sebuah pujian, good job, amazing, well done. D, never come back. Don't you say it ya. Jangan pernah kembali. Okay, next. So the answer A, B, C, D. Yep. Have a safe journey. Okay. Next, Pramasti and Radinka. Please fill the blank to complete the dialogue below. What will Radinka say based on the dialogue below? Radinka, this is a present for you. I hope you like it. Oh, this is so wonderful. Blank, blank, blank. Pramasti, don't mention it. I owe you one. Aku berhutang padamu. Aku berterima kasih padamu. You are so mean to me. Kamu sangat jahat padaku. I will forget this thing. Aku akan melupakan hal ini. I don't like it very much. Aku sangat tidak menyukai ini. Radhika said, this is so wonderful. Ini bagus sekali. So, what Radhika will probably say? A, B, C, D. Yep, I owe you one. Aku berterima kasih padamu. Because Pramasi said, don't mention it. Next, what is the translation in English of the expression senang bertemu denganmu juga? A, nice to meet you, senang bertemu denganmu. B, so happy to meet you, sangat senang bertemu denganmu. C, glad to meet you too. Glad in this case, here glad means happy. Bahagia bertemu denganmu juga, senang bertemu denganmu juga. D, not happy to meet you, tidak bahagia bertemu denganmu. So the answer A, B, C, D. Yup, C teman-teman. Next, number. What is the translation in English of the expression sampai jumpa minggu depan? A, see you tomorrow, sampai jumpa besok. B, see you again, sampai jumpa lagi, sampai jumpa kembali. C, see you next week, sampai jumpa minggu depan. D, see you next year, sampai jumpa tahun depan. So the answer A, B, C, D. Yup. Okay, see you next week. Okay. Next number, what is the translation in English of the expression dengan senang hati? Miss Ari, sometimes you say it, not sometimes, usually you say it. You are not welcome. Kamu tidak welcome di sini atau tidak di tidak, you are not welcome is not itu enggak itu ya, kurang tepat ya teman-teman ya. Kamu tidak disambut di sini. It is my pleasure, dengan senang hati. Don't mention it, jangan sungkan, jangan disebutkan. Biasanya kalau ungkapan ketika teman-teman thank you, udah jangan disebut, yeah, like this one. I'm not happy, aku tidak bahagia. So the answer A, B, C, D. Yep. It is my pleasure, dengan senang hati. Good. What is the translation in English of the expression saya menerima permohonan maaf darimu? A, I apologize for my mistakes. B, your apology is not accepted. C, I accept your apology. D, we accept your apology. A, I apologize for my mistakes. Saya meminta maaf atas kesalahan saya. B, your apology is not accepted. Permohonan maaf kamu tidak diterima. C, I accept your apology. Permohonan maaf. Saya menerima permohonan maaf kamu atau darimu. A, B, C, D. Yep. C. Kalau ini, we accept your apology. We itu kami, teman-teman. So, the answer is C. Okay, I accept your apology. Next, Miftah and Fadil. Please fill the blank to complete the dialogue below. What will Fadil say based on the dialogue below? I'm sorry, Fadil, I broke a pencil. Blank, 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 I can buy another one someday. Don't worry, Miftah. Masya Allah, Fadil, you are very kind. In this case, here, based on the story, Miftah broke Fadil pencil, merusakkan pencil Fadil ceritanya ya. And Fadil said, blank, 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 I can buy another one someday. Aku bisa beli lagi. Don't worry, Miftah, jangan khawatir. And Miftah said, Masya Allah, Fadil, kamu sangat baik. Nah, so the answer, A, B, C, D. A, no problem, tak masalah. B, I'm so sad, aku sedih sekali. C, I'm so glad, aku bahagia sekali. D, it is my pleasure, dengan senang hati. So the answer, A, B, C, D. A, good, teman-teman. Please fill the blank to complete. Oh, same. Wow, you are so lucky. So the answer, A, B, C, D. Yep. No problem. Alhamdulillah, teman-teman. Please pay attention carefully. If your score less than 75, you have to redo this question again. Or Miss Ari will give you another question. It's quite similar with the first formative test. So, watch the video carefully. And then give comment on the YouTube video below like this one, like example, I am Sari Mulyani. I'm just finished watching the video about English solving problem or English solving of the first formative test. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.